Hello, folks. This is Raj Sastry from Raj Option Trading. Today is September 29, 2021. I want to talk about trading preparation. So, yesterday was a down day. Let's see how what holds for today. So, with that, let's talk about few great stocks to buy. Before that, let's jump into futures market and see how futures are doing today. So, with that, let's look at S&P 500 future here. As you can see here, after the huge drop yesterday in S&P 500, it's showing a small bounce here. We will play safe, buy some quality names, and take advantage of huge drop we had yesterday. And then we have here Nasdaq. Nasdaq is a little bit weaker here, as you can see here, lower low. So showing some bounce here. You take advantage of this and buy some good quality names. And then we got here Dow Jones average. It's also showing a nice bounce of 133 points. I think we'll take advantage of some quality stocks and buy some stocks here also. And last but not least, we got Russell 2000, which is small cap stocks. It's also showing a small bounce after a big drop yesterday. I would take advantage of these drops. I've been doing some selective buying yesterday, buy some quality stocks, take advantage of the drop. We will do same today. If there are quality stocks drop in, we will take advantage and buy some. And as you look through here, let's look at the bonds here. Bonds are, as you can see here, strengthening a little bit. That may cause some trouble to stock market. So as the yields go up, as the interest rates go up, that's the chatter in the market that may cause some issue into stock market, and big momentum stocks may come down a little bit if the inflation worries still exist. There are a lot of supply chain issues, shortages in semiconductors, and inflation worries that can put some damp into stock market. We'll watch it carefully. And as you scan through here, crude oil is one of the strong sectors here. I would wait for crude to come down a little bit before I buy some energy names. On the other hand, gold is good. You can buy some quality gold names like a Barrick Gold, GDX, KL, and so on and so forth. And dollar is trading sideways. It's a little bit lower. That will help the market a little bit, especially commodities. So with that, let's jump in here, go into trading prep work. As you look through here, the way to read this chart is anytime you see a green in the first column here, that tells you those stocks will satisfy rule of 40, and also they have a low RSI. And if you see a highlight in the second column, which is company, that tells you these stocks have got high short ratio. Example, Novavax high short ratio, which is here 9%. And if you see highlight in the price column, that tells you there is a I think right now it's probably not accurate, but typically if you want to highlight where there's institution and insider buying, for now ignore the highlight here, look at institutional insider buying. Those are the candidates that we have to look at. For example, in mode stock dropped big yesterday. It's a momentum stock. I'm willing to buy in mode at these levels given there is a high institution buying here. So also I would look at the sales growth here. If you're a fundamental investor, pay attention to sales growth quarter over quarter and gross margin. If that's greater than 40, it satisfies rule of 40, I would buy those stocks here. And then look at RSI. Anytime the RSI is low, you can buy stock at those levels. Good entry point. But if RSI is high, for example, we got EXPI, in mode, and so on so forth, wait for a pullback, especially in stocks like in mode and EXPI. We already have a big drop here. I would bite into them slowly and take advantage of this drop here. And then we got IV percentile here, high IV percentile. For example, in mode here, you could sell some put option underneath the stock price, take advantage of this high IV percentile, and make some premium money that way. And we have one more here. It's a low stock price, you won't make too much premium here. And you could look at the one secure works here, high IV percentile. You could sell some put option here beneath the stock price, make some money that way. And same is the story with the SITM. It's a $200 stock. As you can see here, there's a high short ratio, sorry, high IV percentile. You could make some money selling some premium or a put option beneath the stock price. Also pay attention to short ratio here. Many stocks here like APN, this is one of the favorite short squeeze. I've seen this squeezing and going higher all the time. Right now we have a high short ratio and low IV percentile, which is 53, or a low RSI, which is 53. I would take advantage of this big drop, as you can see here, and buy some APN at these levels. And same story with the, it's again low float, as you can see here. And we got one more here, Zivo IP. This stock has been trading around $1-2 for a long time. Maybe worth buying, but right now I think it's not worth buying. Its RSI is 59. We should wait a little bit, buy it slowly. Stock has come down drastically here. And as you scan through, we got a few more with high short ratio. I love Confluent. It's a great company. A lot of people I know use their Confluent wiki pages. I think high short ratio. RSI is a little higher, but with this drop, I would bite into Confluence, CFLT slowly. It's a software play. And then we got here VITL, high short ratio here, and high RSI. Tells you wait a little bit, buy slowly if you want to with this drop here. And as you can see here, in last one day, like yesterday, these stocks have dropped drastically, 28% in one day, 16% in one day. This is where we take advantage of this huge drop. Buy the quality stocks by looking at what insiders are doing, how is sales growth, and how is RSI level, and how is short and float. I would use those and buy the quality stocks and take advantage. As you can look through here, I would buy stock like EXPI and InMode. Both are strong fundamentally. Huge big drop. Take advantage here. I think RSI will come down as you go forward. With this huge drop, I would take advantage, buy and accumulate slowly. Especially InMode here. I love InMode. Momentum stock, losing momentum here. Buy slowly, don't buy too much at one time. Buy slowly, accumulate. It's a great company. And you could do same thing with other stocks here, fundamentally strong companies like SPT here. I love this company. It's been doing great. Sprout Social, as you can see, a nice strong fundamentals. I would buy both these companies into this weakness here, and accumulate slowly. And we got two more fundamentally great companies here. Um, we got SITM, BioNTech. I would do the same, accumulate slowly, take advantage of this, down or a pullback, buy some quality companies and hold it for a while. Next, we look at a few more. We got DLO, and so on and so forth. As you can look through here, BTCM highlighted this. You could take advantage of insiders buying here or institutions buying. Nice strong sales growth here. Stock has dropped, as you can see here, one day all the stocks have dropped nicely. Look at the fundamentally strong companies like BTCM here, take advantage. And also we have CALX. You could take advantage and buy some. Only problem with CALX is high RSI. I would wait for it to cool off and then buy. And then we got here Jumia. You could buy slowly, high, a little bit higher RSI, but I would buy slowly. And we got few more here. You could take a look at this, buy when the RSI is a little lower and take it from there. And also take advantage of low RSI, especially look through the RSI column here. Anytime you see low RSI like BTCM is a good candidate. As you scan through here, Editas, I love Editas. Stock has been dropping off late. I would take advantage of stock drop in Editas, buy some Editas here. And if you're a put option seller, you could sell some put options beneath the stock price. Right now, IV percentile is high. You could make some good money there. As you scan through here, we got INZY. You could buy some of the INZI. Also take advantage of the drop here. Only problem with the INZY is stock has been dropping off late. I don't see any green here. That's why you got to be a contrarian to buy INZY here. That might pan out, but right now it's down all along. And as you scan through, we got a few more here. CALX. I love this company. It's been going up and down a lot. Right now, a little bit high RSI. Wait for a little pullback and buy this company. As you scan through, we got one more here. Jumia stock is a little bit sold off 55. I would buy some Jumia and position for an uptick here. And then you got a few more here. As you scan through, nice sales growth. I love Trade Desk, and Magnite is a good stock. Alpha Tech, same story. I would take advantage and buy slowly into this weakness here. And if you see here, a few good companies, solid fundamentals. Look through the RSI here. Maybe KRNT a little higher RSI. Wait a little bit, and same story with Magnite. But other ones you could buy slowly and take advantage of this drop in the price here. 1 day drop of 8%, as you can see here, and 7%. And look what insiders institutions doing. For example, select quote, insiders are buying. That's a great story. I think there is a good conviction from insiders. As you scan through here, we got clean energy, institutions buying. We got Doximity, one of my favorite stock. Institutions are buying heavily. Nikola looks like institutions are buying. Coupled with the low RSI, you could slowly buy into those. Right now, Doximity is at 50 RSI. You could buy some Doximity, also has a higher short ratio, as you can see here. And low float, looks like Doximity does not have too much shares in supply, so that will be good sign. I would buy into Doximity, great stock here. And you could look at other stocks as you scan through here. Institutions are buying here with the CPLT, HOFV, and so on and so forth. Look through the RSI, focus on low RSI candidates like ATUL here, and also AGEN. And I also love Couchbase here, software play here, $32 stock here. Right now, RSI is also low. You could look into that one too and go from there. And we got a few more here. Fiverr, it's a great stock. They're into freelancing type business here. Nice strong fundamentals here. RSI is 55. I would buy into Fiverr slowly and accumulate a nice position. I love this stock. And Validine, it's also great stock. Look through short ratio here. High short ratio coupled with the low RSI. Those are your winning candidates. You can make some money swing trading those. Option traders, look for high IV percentile and low RSI. You could sell some put options beneath the stock price, especially when stock price is maybe above 15 or so, or even 20. That's when you make some money in the premium. Low price, you can't sell put option, make money. I would go with the higher stock price candidates. Like here, we got NKTX here. You could sell some put option in that stock here with the PIV percentile 64, and you could do same story with the other stocks. Like as you scan through here, a Cloudflare, you could make some good money selling put options. I love this company. Cloudflare also has been dropping off late. I would bite into Cloudflare here. Great quality stock at a discount here. I love that stock. Next, we look at a few more here. Before I do that, so let's see Fiverr. Fiverr IV percentile is a little bit low. Let's go next. We got few more here, starting with the Tiger. As you can see, a high short ratio here. You could nice fundamentals. Institutions are buying. You could buy along with them and participate in a short squeeze. As you scan through, we got few more stocks with nice fundamentals here. I would look at those. and look at the candidates with a low RSI like Pindia. I think it's intriguing here. You could buy some Pindia. Great stock here. I would take advantage. And then as you scan through here, we got few more. Bloom Energy, same story, nice fundamentals, low RSI, high short ratio. Take advantage of such situation here and go from there. And we got few more here. Cooper Software, I love this company. Nice performance from a fundamental perspective, satisfies rule of 40 as you can see here. High short ratio, low RSI. I think that's a good candidate. All these momentum names are coming down slowly. I would slowly bite into them and hold a nice position here. And we got few more here. Redfin, it's one of the great company into real estate. I would bite into this one also. Only problem with Redfin, 2 3 weeks ago it was down big time. Now it's coming up a little bit higher RSI, but I think you could slowly buy into this stock and accumulate a nice position here. And we got few more here. CSTL, Hut 8, which is a crypto stock here. I would look into that. Also little high RSI, buy slowly and accumulate. Option traders look through this IV percentile, high IV percentile. Means you could make some money by selling some put options. For example, Kirkland, PDD. Take advantage of such situations here. Coupled with a little bit lower RSI. These a little bit high for me, especially Kirkland, a little bit high RSI. But when RSI is low, like PINDR, you could make some nice money. There is some upside potential here. And same story with stocks like OOMA and Castle, CSTL, same story. You could sell them put option here. High IV percentile, low RSI, as well as Hut 8. You don't have too much premium. I would skip that. So with that, thank you very much. Happy investing and trading. Take advantage of this pullback, buy some good quality stocks and go from there. Thank you.